Now click on remove background and firstly select all area which you want to keep. Now click on mark as area to remove. So but select this one to keep. So just click here like this. Now press enter or press anyway like this.